In this video, we're gonna understand uninformed search and informed search in a very simple and intuitive way. What is uninformed search? As the name suggests, uninformed search means searching without any extra information. You don't know which path is better, cheaper, or closer to the goal. Uninformed search is also known as brute force method or blind search. What does that mean? Imagine you're at a start state. You want to reach a goal state. If you want to reach the goal state from the start state, you explore all possible states from the start. Then you explore all the states that come after those. You keep doing this level by level until you finally reach the goal. But over here, you do not have any knowledge of domain or problem, or you can say that over here, you do not have any guide which can guide you the way to the goal. You're basically saying, I'll try everything until I reach the goal. What is informed search? In informed search, we use extra knowledge to guide the search toward the goal. This extra knowledge is called heuristic. Instead of blindly searching everywhere, we say, let me choose the path that looks most promising. For example, traveling salesman problem. The cost is given. There are these four states in which we have to start from the start node. We have to visit every state but with using minimum cost. Now, if we used uninformed search, brute force method, then we have to search all the possible. So, according to this TSP problem, how many possibilities are there? There is this formula that calculates possibilities. Number of nodes minus 1 within a parenthesis multiplied by factorial. So, if we substitute n in the formula, we'll get the number of nodes. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. 3 factorials which equals to 6 possible paths. But this is for the nodes of 4. That's manageable. But what if there are 10 nodes, 362,880 paths, or 12 nodes, almost 40 million paths, or 100 nodes, practically impossible. So over here, as we know, we just know the start state and we only know we have to go to goal state. That's it. We have no knowledge of cost, no guide, no heuristic value. Now, before knowing the informed search, let's know about what is heuristic value. A heuristic value is a numerical value assigned to a node that estimates the minimum cost required to reach the goal state from that node. It helps informed search algorithms choose the most promising path efficiently. Now, why do we use heuristic search? As the state space grows exponentially, the time complexity and space complexity also grow massively. Because of this, brute force solutions become impractical. This is why TSP is an NP hard problem, non polynomial problem. So instead of searching for a perfect solution, we use heuristics to find a good or near optimal solution faster. Like in TSP, we use nearest neighbor to estimate the heuristic value for each node. It helps us as a guide. Now, for an example, let's say you live in Washington and you want to travel to Texas. How you'll plan your journey if you know the map of US? You'll naturally choose Idaho, Utah, New Mexico, then to Texas. Why? You can also go from Oregon, California, Arizona, New Mexico, then Texas. You're also reaching to go stay here as well. All you'll say is it will take more time and cost more gas. That's informed search. Now imagine you don't know the map at all. What you do? You visit one neighboring state, then another, until you eventually reach Texas. That's uninformed search. Cost you all your savings and your age. But hey, you reach your goal state, Texas. Now, the examples of uninformed search are DFS, BFS, and uniform cost search. And for the informed search, it's an A star algorithm, heuristic DFS, greedy best first search, and hill climbing. That's it for informed and uninformed search. If you want detailed explanations of DFS, BFS, and an A star in upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss them. And if this explanation helped you, drop a like. It really lets me know you understood what I just taught. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.